Man, you already know who it is. J Flow. La la la, la la la, la la la. I face determination with heart and determination to find the monster I'm facing running from me, so I'm chasing my dream without asking for material things. I just really want to see my name on the big screen. I wouldn't make it where I am if it wasn't for the haters. No time for you now, you'll get your thanks later. So for now I keep writing with dreams, a big paper, and make my team a dynasty like the Magic Johnson Lakers. Enough patiently waiting for things to happen on their own. Gotta take the crown and prove I want to reign on the throne as king. And you see I'm tired of patiently waiting, cause that just don't make sense. Like frying healthy bacon, I take the matters in my own grip and roll it up in something sweet, and then I smoke it till I physically can't stand it. Man, what happened to the kid in me? He died a long time ago. Are you kidding me? With the eye of the tiger and the soul of James, I'll be sure to never ever brown nose the game, and staying still remains about what's gold can't stay. So if that's the truth, I'll be platinum today and take that and go triple platinum someday with 10 million likes on my Facebook page like Big Sean. I'll be screaming finally famous, into all that ever doubted. Kiss my ass.